line up your connectors. Make sure that snaps in place and locks. Tuck your harness away. Line up the posts with their mounting holes there. All right, to reinstall, fasten the 3 fasteners. After those 2 are secure, replace the liner and secure the 3rd fastener. You're gonna line up your trunk trim, snap that in place, and secure the fastener on both sides like so. Once you're done with that, repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now that our taillights are installed, let's test the functions.